pen. See if it works. Oh, this one works. Something new. Okay. Here we're reflecting images across axes, the x-axis or the y-axis. So basically, the trick here is you need to count how many spaces it is from each point to the axis, and then its reflected image will be that far on the other side of the axis, and then just connect them in order. So L, for example, is x-axis, so down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, L prime. K is 1, so this is K prime. M is 2, M prime, and then just connect them in order, which is easy for a triangle because they just connect 3, doesn't matter what order really. Alright, x or y-axis, well, J and this is I, J, K, I and J are both on the axis, so it's easy, you don't have to move them at all. K is 1 space away. L is 1, 2, 3 spaces away, so 1, 2, 3 spaces on the other side. That's L prime. And then there we go. Now, this is a heads up. Technically, J and J prime are right on top of each other, so I should label this as J prime. I should label this as I prime. I'm not going to do it only because it would be like messy and hard to see things, so I'm just going to let that slide. No, I'm not. Let's go put it up here. J prime. I prime. Damn. You should probably do that if you want points. Okay. Reflection across the y-axis. E. So the y-axis up and down. E is 2 spaces away. F is 3 spaces away. G is 2 spaces away. G is connected to D. Up here. This is D prime. G prime. F prime. E prime. One recommendation for you. Don't label your points until you've drawn the whole figure, because sometimes you'll end up drawing like a line right through the label you've made. Of course, in the hand, you might forget which point was which when you go to label them. That could happen too. Alright, across the x-axis, E is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. F, 1, 2, 1, 2. D, 1, 1. C, 1, 2, 1, 2. C prime, F prime, E prime, D prime. And as always, wait. Whew, close one there. Alright, as always, you should have some kind of symmetry here, which is why something's wrong. Oh, there why. There. There we go. Chip, 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 chip. That doesn't belong there. See? I noticed that something didn't quite look symmetrical because I had this thing poking up here, but nothing poking down here. I accidentally connected point D to point F. So, there you go. Reflection across the y-axis. So T is 1, 2, 1, 2. T prime. U is 1, 2, 1, 2. U prime. S is 5, because I know it's 5. R is 4. Ends up over here. And then SR. Straight across. There you go. Ta-da! Alright, here we have reflection across the x-axis. So it's up and down. X is a space away. X prime. Y is 2 spaces. So Y prime. W is right there on the axis. So we'll just put W prime right there. Same point, doesn't move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 for V prime. V is connected to W. Alright, looking good. Let's do a few more. Let's see. X-axis, 1, 2, 1, 2. S prime, Q, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Q prime, R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. R prime. Connect, connect, connect. Okay, next door. X-axis, that's up and down again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5. X prime, Y prime, W prime. Let's see. Y-axis, E doesn't move, so I'll just put E prime here. F is 1 space away. F prime. D is 3 spaces away. So D prime 3 spaces away. There we go. It's kind of sloppy there, to be honest with you. Alright. Over here, Y-axis. Alright. J, 5 spaces away. J prime, 5K, 3, K prime 3, L3, L prime 3, and I5, I prime 5. Alright. Looking good. Reflection across the y-axis, that is left-right. C is 2, C prime, B is 3, B prime, A is 2, A prime, alright, there we go. Looks good. X-axis, I like it when nothing's going to overlap. So that's a down reflection. U is 2, 2 down, U prime, X is 3, 3 down, X prime, W is 5, W prime, Y is 4, or V is 4. There we go. And there you go. Now, the key here is reflections across the x-axis are vertical, they go up and down. Reflections across the y-axis are, here's an example, horizontal, they go left, right. You just count how many spaces it is from your point to the axis, and it's that many spaces. Keep going in the same direction and to the other side. Okay, pretty straightforward. Where's that off button?